My priority will be, see, the council is a continuous process. So whatever development was ongoing since last 5 years and for this term, I will continue with that. There are a lot of projects to be undertaken and it is already been, process has been done. So I will take that projects on my priority. And one thing I would like to tell you that Mapsa is a city which has to be beautified. Since last 5 years, we were undergoing some sewerage plants, sewerage treatment plant was undergoing. So we have difficulties to do all this beautification works. Right now, Mapsa market issue is on some hike. So we have given priority. Mapsa market will be one main priority. And we have done all the initial procedures like plan and all are ready. So we'll discuss with, and hopefully our Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar is a Mapsa, is from Mapsa. So I have a great faith in him and this will continue. He has already declared 20 crore in this budget. So we'll go, I will sit with other councillors, discuss and we'll tell.